Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Substack Creator Dashboard, manage newsletters step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type substack.com into the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the Substack homepage. Locate the login button in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. You will see a prompt for your email address. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Click the Continue button. Check your email inbox for a login link from Substack. Open the email and click on the login link. You will be redirected to the Substack Creator Dashboard. Once in the dashboard, explore the various menu options available. To manage your newsletters, click on the Newsletters tab. Here, you can view all your newsletters in one place. Select the newsletter you want to manage by clicking on its name. You can now edit your newsletter settings, including title, description, and branding. To add new posts, click on the Posts section. Select Create New Post to start drafting your content. Remember to save your work periodically as you create. Once finished, you can schedule or publish your post directly from the dashboard. If you need to analyze your performance, navigate to the Analytics section. With these tools, you can effectively manage and grow your newsletters on Substack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.